see this battery that is left from what used to be the complete kit of DJI Mavic 2. This battery will show what actually happened. Instead of drone, after updating the position and doing liftoff, which would normally, as usual, be vertical liftoff, liftoff was in this sense, and then it went directly toward Fabio and hit him in the his glasses and directly into the sea. So here we are in the boat where a drone accident happened. Actually, drone instead of lifting up just went back, and I have recording of that. And what happened, it actually went to Mr. Fabio glasses. Can you actually tira os óculos e mostra?
Aqui, aqui assim.
One can see the scratch on the glasses where it happened, and there was no reason for that to happen, and I analyzed that for more than now 1 hour, and I can only say that there is some glitch in the software.